And I would also like to request our other dignitaries, please come on stage. And
Madam.
Please, sir.
we are welcoming our honorable guest of honor to today's program, honorable.
के द्वारा आपके स्थान का शुभारंभ करने के लिए असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय पवित्रता एवं शुद्धता আমাদের জীবনের শাড়িতে
Mama.
Secretary Tourism, ex-member Planning Board Tripura, Mrs. Rishmi Verma, Honorable BCCF and Half Department of Forest Government of Tripura Sri K.S. Sethi, Honorable Additional Directorate General of Foreign
Program, that is second Tripura Fire and Sailor Meet 2022. We are very happy that we have amongst us Honorable Chief Secretary.
To begin with, I would like to congratulate all the delegates for attending this program. And as I feel, you have chosen the right sector and the right place to further expand your footprint in this sector. You must be aware that today's program is in Agartala. And we know why this Agartala has been named. Because of this abundant trees were in Agartala. So on that basis, the name of Agartala city has been named. So you must be aware that in all discussion across the world, whenever talk of quality of Agar road sector is held, quality of Indian Agar road is considered to be the best as compared to other Agar road from other South East Asia countries. As such, presently you are at the place where best quality of Agar road is being produced across the globe. Already, my previous speakers already have mentioned about it. I can remember that our TITC chairman used to tell me that there are plenty scopes for the development of this Agar road and its products. So one time I went to North Tripura and I visited the places where this cultivation has been made. So today when I entered the house and when I was about to come to the dais, so they told me to visit the stalls first. So I am really surprised to see the products they have already placed here. So wonderful one. Really, I could not think of it. So this is evident from the fact that name of the city where you are sitting. Our state tree is Agar tree. I don't know whether you know or not. So that is also sufficient for you to get convinced that this place has strong relationship with Agar road. Despite this fact, this sector was neglected over the years. Our growers were not getting the right price for their products. Forest rules were complicated to do business in Agar, and they were unable to get the latest availability of technology for artificial inoculation, etc. Because of that, our government have taken the decision that something needs to be taken. So due to over-exploitation of the past, Government of India put this species in a list of endangered species. Because of this, official export of agarwood product is not allowed under cities international agreement which deals with endangered species. Our state has more than 12 million trees in private sector. Already it has been discussed here. I am happy to share with all of you that Cities Management Authority, India has approved the export of 25,000 kg, that is 25 metric ton of agarwood trees, and 1,500 kg of agarwood oil for export for this year. You will be glad to know when I went to Delhi to first meet with our Honorable Prime Minister, I took this agar perfumes also to present him, and he was very much glad to receive. And when I told that this Agartala has been named on this agar wood, and he also surprised to know about it. So, but it is a matter of concern to all policy makers, including Government of India, to introspect as why we are unable to export even 1 kg of agar wood in last 1 year. I request officials from Government of India who have attended this meet to explore and simplify the export process. Already regarding this issue also, my previous speakers already talked about it. My government is committed for any intervention if required for both of this sector. I would also like to request you, as you have come across such long distances, please visit state after the meet for at least 1 to 2 days and see how we have developed in last few years. We have some very good tourist places already mentioned over here, including famous Mathabari temple, one of the Shakti Peeth. I hope organizer must have made arrangement for such visit if someone of you intend to do so.
পবিত্রতা এবং শুদ্ধতায় আমাদের চেতনা শালিত হোক।
वो आई वुड से बैठ जाइए।